Platform 3, a Greg sausage roll, a cup of tea. My nose twitched once, I felt the pull. Then came the sneeze, and full-blown bonfire. I blinked in shock, the world went still. My cheeks had signed a silent deal. I froze mid-sniff, my soul withdrew. I sneezed and fully followed through. Followed through in Cafe and Greg's. My dignity leaked down both my legs. One lad laughed near pastry tray. He dropped his sausage roll and filmed my shape. No grace, no wipe, no warning cue. Just me, red-faced, with bum cheeks on fire. I tried to shift, pretend it passed, but every move unleashed the blast. A pensioner near Route 10 whispered that lad's leaking again. I clenched in vain, the damage done. My cheeks betrayed me one by one. A squelch escaped, I felt the slide. The cafe echoed as I tried. Follow through in Cafe and Greg's. My dignity leaked down both my legs. One lad laughed near pastry tray. He dropped his sausage roll and filmed my shame. No grace, no wipe, no warning cue. Just me, red-faced, with bum cheeks on fire. I shuffled past the pastry rack, my cheeks still twitching under attack. Another filmed my soggy retreat, while someone sobbed that self-defeat. A Greg staff member locked the loot, said we don't clean for follow-through. I limped past bins with leaking pride. My sausage roll dreams slowly died. Followed through in Cafe and Greg's. My dignity leaked down both my legs. One lad laughed near pastry tray. He dropped his sausage roll and filmed my shame. No grace, no wipe, no warning cue. Just me, red-faced, with bum cheeks on fire. I passed a bin, tried to look brave, but pigeons flinched and flew away. A toddler pointed, asked his mum, "Is that the man who dropped his bum?" Followed through in Cafe and Greg's. My dignity leaked down both my legs. One lad laughed near pastry tray. He dropped his sausage roll and filmed my shame. No grace, no wipe, no warning cue. Just me, red